Hey, Stinkabub.
Where are your pants?
No.
No. Leave those. Do you know how to say yes?
No.
No. Do you know how to say no?
No.
No. Of course not. Did you take your pants off? Did you take your pants off?
Ba.
Oh, yeah.
This. Oh.
Fruit snack.
This is a fruit snack.
It's a fruit roll-up snack.
Whoa!
Because it rolls up.
Are you jumping?
Hey, Fanny, did you get a new haircut? Yeah. Do you like it?
Do you like your haircut? Yeah.